Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the analog on your PS4 pad. Here you have a new analog. I'm gonna buy it from eBay or AliExpress or whatever shop, internet shop. And now we need the screwdriver to unscrew few screw on the back. Now we need to use the plastic tool to open the back cover. The plastic tool is made by soft plastic, so don't damage any part of your pad. I think is the hardest part of our job. We need to get some patterns to do this. Okay, it's done. I'm in. And now we need to go to the analog, as I said. So we need to pull up the motherboard from here. Okay, we pull it out, and we don't need to disassemble our motherboard. We only just need to take the analog in and put the new analog out here. one is changed. Second, is changed too. Now go back with your motherboard on the right place. Okay, how it look? It's look pretty awesome. Brand new analog is in. Now we need to assemble our part. Then put the battery in. Okay. We need to put this button in the right place here. Okay. I think it's on. I wonder about this part, and I searched it for, what's this? And it is for the reset. It's for the reset button, rubber button for the reset. So now assembly this flex. Which way? This way. Blue from this side. Okay. And now carefully assembly our pad into the right place. I think it should not be easy. You have to make few try to do this right. Okay, let's see, all button is working well. The light is working too. And now the last part of it, we need to screw 4 screw on the back. One, 2, 3 and 4 screws. Okay, so I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you bye in next video. See that button? Look at those. Super.